everyone, I'm CLayfect, and I actually just want to thank you all.
This is stupid.
Stop it. Stupid?
Get up here, you promised them.
Did I though? Did I?
Yeah,
really
you did. Get up here or I will tie you to the chair.
Maybe I did. I don't want to.
I will tie you to the chair.
I say no.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. CLayfect. One moment, please.
He took
Get up here now, you promised them. Honey, I'm not going to
No, I say no. No means no. I don't want to.
have to.
I really don't have to. I don't.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Stay. I got her now, guys. Enjoy. Say hello, honey.
Hey everyone, it's me, CLayfect, with fully exposed face apparently. I'm really just not comfortable with staring into a lens. I'm much more happy when it's just these guys you're seeing and I'm sculpting something. But I did promise you I would make a video where you were going to see my face when I reach 1,000 subscribers. And we have reached way more than that. I think it's 1,500 subscribers now.
1,700.
700. Things are going fast. Things are moving along. So this video is also a little fast, quick hi from me. And a big, big thank you for your support. I can't believe we have reached so many. I can't believe we have become this live and vibrant community. Is really means the world to me, and I am really, really happy. That being said, I will say that this is not a thing you're going to have to get used to, I promise you, because believe it or not, I am actually wearing makeup. Like, a lot of makeup. And I don't like makeup. I don't like putting on makeup. But I thought I should look sort of decent. But you guys know I hate painting. So this is not going to be a normal thing. But if you want a Q&A or see me otherwise, we can have a little talk, maybe a live stream or something like that. Then I will be down on exposing my face yet again. Otherwise, it's all about the sculptures, the clay, the hands at work. All that good stuff is still what we're going to do. Nothing is going to change there. I still have a lot more ideas for you, and I am looking forward to every moment of it. So again, thank you so much. I am so humble and so grateful for this great big support. It really means a lot to me and to Mr. CLayfect.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
But with that being said, guys, it is time for me to sign off. Thank you so much for watching. But if you want to watch some more, then why not click on... Nah, I'm just joking with ya. See you later, guys.